wanting to do what he wants to do. Talking about paintball, you mean meatball? Any skateboarding company watching this wants to
Get my penis. Oh, shit.
welcome to our crib, yo. This is the start of the trail. It's about 12.9 kilometers long. It also said be mindful of bears. Our mission today is to try to capture a bear. Are you ready?
You go?
Yeah, you go first.
What?
Yo, did you hear? Did you hear how long it's gonna take us to get to the end? It said 6.5 hours. Hey, we're already here, yo. We have to finish it. So we'll get there at 1 a.m.
Excuse me, I didn't say go.
Ooh!
I'm gonna splash it on you guys. Ready? No, you don't have to do that.
Yeah, please don't do that.
3. I'll count down. 3, 2, 1, go. I didn't take a picture. I misclicked. Holy shit. 3, 2, 1, go. There you go! You look sick! Oh my god.
I feel like you can just take the tree. I thought you were going.
I want to.
Then go over there. Oh, he made it, yo.
That's gonna break. Oh, fuck.
Did you hit your head? It's not good, yo.
My skull. Alright, Riley.
Hey, we made it. You guys want to eat? This is where we're gonna camp. There's a view.
So when it's raining, you see water come down here?
Yeah.
White people.
Yo, we should go up there.
Yo, that's not gonna happen. You starting it?
Alright, watch out, the cameras are here. I got a nice triangle going on here.
Alright, let's start it. Look, that's perfect. Where's the letter? You something that's gonna start a fire? Careful. Ew! Like we're grabbing one. Sticks.
More sticks?
Yeah, we need to stack it up so it gets. When the volume is raising. Oh, this is bad.
Fire, boy. I feel like that's pretty good. It does.
Okay, see, you guys get the food ready. I'll just gather more sticks. You guys,
You have to cook
you
it?
guys eat dunugan?
Fuck yeah, yo. Is that the pig blood?
Yes,
yeah. Oh, I fucking love this.
Do you like pig blood?
No.
You eat it?
That's the black one, right?
Yeah. No. I researched this, you know. Here, okay. Let's gather up sticks like this, okay? And then let's stack it. Come on, guys.
Oh, well, you should have. Oh, yeah. Just kills it. We didn't complete the trail, but
There's no way we're gonna stay for 6 hours.
yeah.
6 down. And then drive back for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Quite impossible.
Maybe we can do it if we come here in the morning, though.
Yeah, we definitely can. Before we're going back, we have to take a dip.
I'm down.
In the water.
Let's go, yo. Yo.
Set it down.
Fuck, man.
I don't know where to sit down, yo.
It's actually not that bad. Oh, okay, that was pretty bad. Oh shit, yo, that was pretty bad. Yo, don't go too far, yo.
Yo, chillax, you're scary.
No, it's just like, ah, what are you doing? like how down, like neck down.
Yeah.
Oh, mosquito. Oh, so much bugs, bro, around you. No, they're doing that. Mosquito. Okay. Wait, what? Mosquito. I'm going down.
No, oh god, there's a mosquito. Yeah.
They're like all around. Bugs.
Oh, my freaking knee! Ah! Fuck! I told you to. Fuck! I told you to stay in one place. Ah!
Oh, yo, holy shit, yo, it's slipping, bro.
I got you. I got you.
Oh, yo, the drink. Oh shit, yo, I'm moving away, yo.
Yeah, this is how far I can go.
Oh, yo, that's deep,
Yo,
bro.
goddamn.
Yo, that's deep, bro. Yo, you like let go of my hand, man. You just gotta let go of my hand.
Yo, my nipples are hard as rocks.
Yes,
I can cut a rock right now, man.
got a rock.
My nipples.
You should head back, yo. The sun's going down.
Yeah. That was actually pretty fun.
Oh, my fuck!
My toe!
Watch yourself.
I'm sleeping too much.
Does it help?
I think we.
That was nice.
Yo. Yeah. We just made it out the hiking of the White Shell Skull hiking trail. Yeah, man. Like that was pretty deadly, dude. We went
skinny dipping.
dipping of skinny, you know. And then we did fires, you know what I'm saying? We did fires. Do the smoke? It was like smoking like what? Oh, it was like that. It was actually pretty lit. And then it was burned out. And then you guys peed on it. It was like actually deadly.
Anyways, we'll meet you guys at the car while
We're dead. But alright. See you guys.
see you guys later. Oh, so here.
Rats?
Hey!
Deep fried rats.
Good morning, people.
Yo, here.
We got.
Oh,
Yo, show it.
I don't know what's protein.
Show it.
Protein.
Oh.
What is that?
Oh.
Ravioli.
It's like a wrap. McDonald's wraps.
Why is it green?
I'll stop.
You know what I bring? Oh yeah.
I brought some. What did you bring? Doritos on some nachos. Doritos.
Dude, we're fucking finally done.
Riley,
Yes,
tell them where we're going.
we're about to go to
Yeah, you know.
Bearland.
Whoa, Revelin. That's pretty irrelevant.
What we're trying to do is capture a baby bear live on video too.
Alright.
What's in your bag?
It's a catch and eat.
Yeah, exactly. We're gonna catch it. You might eat it back at home, but this is dangerous. What is this man doing? Is he gonna come forward towards you? See you later in 2 hours.
I'm gonna piss now.
Look at that bite. I got a bite here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a bite on my ass. Like my ass cheek. I don't really know. Oh, it's because pissing high.
Whoa! Oh. Look what I found. This is like a real life raid right here.
Okay, we're back. Round 2.
Oh shit. I got a walking stick.
Yo, check it out. This is where we ate.
Before we're going back, we have to take a dip
I'm down.
in the water. Why did we just see ourselves in the pasture?
There's people there, man.
Is that bear fish?
It's amazing. What shall we do first, boys?
You should make a campfire.
Right now? I mean, we can make multiple fires.
Oh, it's true.
Oh, wait, I'm down, man.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, so I'm gonna collect some sticks. Oh wait, don't you have starters in your bag from McDonald's?
Oh, yeah. Our fire's still going. We got the munchies. Ooh, munchies. Got the view.
Oh, we got Kool-Aid?
It's pretty amazing.
Huh?
Alright guys, so Francis just took a dump.
Whoa!
I'm about to show you the poo.
Why?
I'm about to show you the poo.
How do you know the area?
Because I saw where you pooed. You guys ready for this? Ah. See that tissue? Oh my god. Oh my god. You see that brown stuff? Looks like chocolate. I want to eat that. I don't know what to do with the tissues. Oh shit. That's disgusting. Oh.
You sure? Yeah, I'm sure. Asshole.
Holy! No, no, no! Oh! Whoa! If you guys are down.
Alright, I'm gonna get ready then.
We walking slippery?
Yeah.
Oh, you can go over here.
Fucking go! Fucking go! Yo! You guys watching this at 8?
Oh, this is deep.
Trying to see when the car's moving.
What the fuck is that shit? What? Ah! What? I felt something moving. Let me see. Going to Alicia.